Sparky Sparks here. Well, it's raining here, and in my previous video, I showed you my new makeup routine, so please check that out. But also I mentioned how I like to travel light. So a little tip that when you're taking like a weekend trip, instead of arriving like you've brought the kitchen sink and everything you own, I have kind of gotten my routine down to just a few essentials. So I always have a nice pair of slacks or jeans. I'll bring a sweater jacket, and I just found this travel bag. So I'm gonna give you a little, it looks like a duffel bag, a little elevated, more elevated than a backpack. And so this is all my stuff is in here. So I've got a few sweaters that'll go with my jeans, one pair of shoes that I can wear versatile with anything, a pretty kind of nightgown, loungy wear, so I look on point, a few wigs, because you know me, I can't travel without my wigs, and then my new Saint makeup in the color palette. And then I was going to show you this little palette this is my first palette that I got. I love the black and white, but this one just has 2 levels and a little more compact. So I can take out just the favorite makeup that I want to wear, that I know I'm going to wear, instead of bringing all of my eyeshadows, and keep it all nice and condensed. So I hope that's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.